Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple domains in Google Workspace, a straightforward process that takes about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to Google Workspace. This essential step ensures everything is set up correctly for managing your domains effectively. Once there, click on the Admin Console, your central hub for managing everything related to your Google account and associated domains. Next, select the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the one connected to the Google Workspace where you intend to add domains. This will guide you to a login page where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter it carefully to avoid any delays, and then click Next to proceed. This step ensures you're securely logged into the Admin Console for the correct account. Once logged in, look for the familiar square dots icon at the top right of the screen. This menu provides access to various Google applications. Click on it, and among the icons, you'll find another Admin Console option. Click on that to enter the domain management area. Now go to Accounts, your gateway for managing all the critical aspects of your domain-related features. From here, click on the Domains section. Here you can see all your existing domains and add new ones. Once in the Domains section, click on Manage Domains. This is an important step as it brings up all the options you'll need to add or modify domains. Look for the option that says Add a Domain and click on it. Enter the domain name and type you wish to add. Ensure the domain name is correct to avoid issues later. After entering the domain name and selecting the domain type, you're ready to add the domain. Finally, click on Add Domain and start the verification process. This crucial step ensures your domain is properly linked and verified with Google Workspace. Verification usually involves updating DNS records or using other authentication methods provided by your domain registrar. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have successfully added multiple domains to your Google Workspace, setting you up for a seamless experience in managing all your business communications across domains. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance.